Hello, it is Dr. Render. In this short tutorial I will show you how to create simple camouflage pattern in Blender. At first, change viewport shading and open shader editor. Add texture coordinate, mapping and Musgrave texture nodes. Increase the detail number to 16 and decrease linearity to 1. Add color ramp and set it. Duplicate then mapping, texture and color ramp nodes and mix obtained patterns. In mapping nodes, set different location to displace one of the textures. Now we have picture with white, gray and black spots. Add color ramp, set type to constant and add one more slider. After that, you can paint each slider. One can be matte color, another dark green, and the last light green. The colors can be varied to get different camouflage. Gray for urban, yellow for desert camouflage, and so on. Thanks for watching, I hope it was useful. Like, share and subscribe please. Bye!